Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install the latest version of Micro on your Chromebook. But first, before we get started, if you like videos where I show you how to install software on Chromebook and on Windows, how to set up the software, and programming tutorials, then subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is install the Linux development environment. To do that, we'll go to our launcher here and we'll find our settings. You can either search for the settings or find the icon. I'm going to click on the settings here. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to go down here to this Advanced tab, and I'm going to click on that to expand. And then I'm going to click on Developers. From here, we can turn on the Linux development environment. I'm going to click Turn On, and we have this wizard that will guide us through the setup. I'm going to click Next. It's going to give me a username based off my email. If you want to change that now. I don't think you can change that later on. The disk size can be changed later on. I'm going to leave both as is and click Install. That's going to take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once Linux is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt get update and then 2 ampersands for and then sudo apt get dist upgrade. And I'm going to do a -y flag to answer yes to the additional space. I'll hit enter. This will take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, now that we have the Linux development environment enabled and updated, we can install the latest version of Micro. In a previous video, I showed you how to install the version of Micro that comes with the current version of Debian on your Chromebook, and to do that, again, you type sudo apt-get install micro and let that run through. Now, that's not the latest version. So if we want the latest version, we can create a new window here in our browser, and we can search for Micro GitHub. And we'll go to this page, github.com, ZYE Didia Micro. I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, but this is the page we want to go to, and we want to go to releases here. Now this will work on an Intel/AMD based Chromebook. I'm not sure about an ARM based Chromebook. I don't have one of those, so I can't speak to that. So let me put that little caveat out there. So I'm going to go to the latest release here, which at the time of this recording is 2.0.11. And I am going to download the .deb file here. Okay. And once I download the .deb file, I can click Show in Folder. And I can right click and install with Linux, and then I can go ahead and click install and then OK. Okay, so now if I bring back my terminal and I go type Micro, I now have the latest version of Micro. If I want to zoom out here, this is what it would look like, the latest version of Micro. So I'm ready to go on my Chromebook with this new latest version. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.